Thanks for joining us on this edition of Renovation Time. We're back at the kitchen reno that we've been here a couple times before. We showed you at the start before we started the actual project, and then we've been showing you through the process, and then the last couple weeks has been kind of mass chaos because everybody's been in here. So now we're cleaned up, we're ready to go. The only thing we're missing is countertop and backsplash, which will still be a little bit of time, but here we are in the kitchen. Wide open now. So before, if you recall, there was walls basically across here, with a door in here going out into the hallway into the front landing, and then there was a door where the camera is right now, but the rest of it was just complete walls. So we've taken these all out, we re-drywalled it. The ceilings in here were stippled as well, so we had to scrape all these ceilings, and it's quite a chore to do it, but I still think that it's still a great look, and it's nice to get rid of that kind of 70-80 stipple. It just kind of makes the actual reno that much nicer and that much more modern. Again, pot lights, we have our pendant lights here. Customer did a fabulous job picking out all our lights. So we have two basically over top of the island. We have one in the hall coming up from the stairs. We have one in the hall, and then we have a beautiful fixture over there above the dining room table. But you can see how much it opens this room up. It just feels so much different than it did. Back in the day, they did have walls and they had smaller kitchens and they had separate areas, a formal living room and dining room, but now everybody just wants everything wide open. And I just think that taking the time to do that, the extra cost associated with that is a great idea. And then in here, as you can see, there was originally a door. It was a garden door in here. We furred it out, so we just have one door going out onto a deck now. And what that allowed us to do is put our wall oven here, which is great. It's in a good location. We have pantries on either side, so lots of storage, cabinet above it. Fridge is in a nice location too. So as you can see with an island, it's nice to have the fridge kind of tucked away. So if you're entertaining, you know, somebody can be here at the fridge, and then you can still have people sitting here, so they're not going to be basically bumping into each other. And the other thing too, big island, which is quite nice. Having a big island, you can fit a lot of people around it. It's great for entertaining. And then as you can see into this area here, you have lots of room where people can be sitting around. Their table's coming, I think she said tomorrow, had it refinished by a gentleman in Peterborough. But as you can see, beautiful kitchen now, and once these countertops come in, we'll be good to go.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.